Hi everybody, it's Miss Dorothy here. Spring is coming really soon. It's going to be springtime in the month of March. So we're going to read an article today about weather. Let's see what it says. So weather's going to be changing, right, as we change seasons. So the chapter title is, What is Weather? Let's see what it says. Get the paper out. Here it comes. It says, Mrs. Cuff's class talks about the weather. The weather is the temperature. The weather is what the sky is like. The weather changes every day. We know that, right, in Rhode Island? It rains, and then it's sunny, and then it snows, and then it's warm, and then it snows again. That's weather where we live. It changes every day. The weather is different in different places. Why is the air cold in the morning? Why is the air warm in the afternoon? The sun heats up the earth during the day. The earth cools down at night. The sun, let's remember this part. The sun makes the air warm. The sunlight is stronger in the summer. That's why we feel so hot in the summertime. Summer is warm, it says right there. The sunlight is not as strong in the winter. Winter is cold. Some air is hot, some air is cold. The hot air moves up. The cold air moves down. The wind blows when air moves. You ever been outside on a windy day? You feel like, whew, everything is flying all over the place. The wind changes the weather. The wind can blow fast or slow. It can bring cold air or rain. The wind can bring storms. We know that in Rhode Island too, right? The weather is also what the sky looks like. The weather can be rainy or snowy. It can be clear and sunny, or the weather can be cloudy. Oh, look outside your window right now. See what it's like out there. Is it sunny or cloudy? Oh, out my big windows in my living room. It looks pretty sunny right now at my house. Clouds are made from water. The sun heats up an ocean. The water goes into the air. The water makes clouds. Rain falls when clouds are full of water. Yeah. People need to be ready for the weather. The class will learn about the weather. They will talk to who? A meteorologist. That's this guy. He's on TV. We can listen to what he says. He thinks the weather's going to be, right? Okay, that's the end of the article. So let's answer some questions together about what we just heard. The first question is, what is this chapter about? Do we read about clothes, or temperature, or the news? If you said temperature, yes, you'd be right, yep. And what heats up the earth? A freezer? Or the sun, or a blanket? Oh, I think we read about the sun, right? The sun heats up the earth. And what type of air moves up? Was it cold air, dirty air, or hot air? If you remembered hot air moves up, you'd be right. And what falls? when clouds are full of water? Rain or sun or geese? Oh, it's not geese. I don't think it's the sun. If you remembered rain, you'd be right. Rain falls when the clouds are full of water. And the last question is, what is important to know about this chapter? The snow goes up to the sky? Or the air is always cold? Or the wind blows when air moves? Oh, if you guessed the last one, the wind blows when air moves, you'd be right. That's what it said. Okay, that's all I have for you for today. Hope you did a good job listening to this article about the weather. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.